I can still fight. There we go. That's it. That's it. Let's go. I've still got chainsaw on my head. Hey, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dana, and today we are watching Chainsaw Man episode 12. The season finale, you guys. We have made it. I can't believe, honestly, when I think about it, I can't believe that we are already at episode 12. Does that mean it's already been 12 weeks? I feel like I just started watching this show maybe 3 weeks ago. So I can't believe that we're already to the season finale. And I'm gonna have to wait half a year to a whole nother year to see the next season. That's just not sitting right with me. But to make it a little bit sweeter, I made a pochta cake. You guys, how good does that look? Isn't that so exciting? If you guys do want to make it with me, you can follow along on my other channel. I just made it today, as you can see my dirty hands. So as soon as you're starting to think, dang, I wish I had more Chainsaw Man content, I'll post my video. So in a couple weeks, just wait for it on my other channel, A Dash of Deggs. Because, it'll make that bitter feeling a little bit more sweet. But anyway, I'm excited to see what's gonna happen in this episode. I have absolutely no idea where they're gonna take us and where they are gonna leave us. In the last episode, Aki was getting choked out, interestingly enough, by the devil that was trying to save him a few episodes ago. The devil that Himeno had the contract with that was eaten when she died by the snake devil was the devil that was trying to save Aki, and in the last episode, that was the devil that was trying to choke him out. So that's very interesting. I wonder how Denji and Power are gonna fight in this episode now that they've had their new training and they're using their brains a little bit more. And Kobeni, are we gonna figure out what she's got in her? That girl's got the dog in her. So what is it? Remember that episode where she was gliding on the snake? There's something there. But then sometimes, she goes back into her shell and she acts all scared. There's something there. Are we going to figure it out? And what the heck with Makima? What's her deal? I want to know. Are we going to find that out today? I don't know. But I've got pochta to keep me company. So it'll all be good. I can't wait to share this recipe with you guys. It was so much fun. Pochta! It's funny. Side note, pochta was literally only in one episode of the show, and not even the entire episode, but it's just he lives within us all like he lives within Denji. He's got a special place in my heart. But anyway, with that, let's get to it. Let's see what they've got in store for us for this 12th episode of Chainsaw Man, the season finale. Oh. All right, let's get to it. Whoosh. And we are starting now. Oh, I hear him getting. Oh. Oh. I also wonder, how is he gonna die? Because the future devil said it was gonna be raw. Man, look at that. Just one. Aww. I'm not smoking, it's bad for your bones. I wish you would. I get the feeling we're gonna be together for a while. Aw, guess not so much. Aww. Just one then. It's the first and last cigarette I ever light up. Yes, let me get that for you. You're kind of awful, Mace. You're underage? Yeah. Well, you obviously can't smoke then. Hand it over. Oh, we never saw that part of the scene. I'll hang on to this one for you then. Once you grow up and you're ready to develop an addiction, I'll give it back. Oh, Aki, don't cry. Oh, what happened? Oh, did she kill everyone else and keep him alive? What's in there? Hmm? What is it? Show us. Oh, my heart. It was the cigarette. He must be old enough now. Oh. Easy revenge. Oh. No. The ghost devil doesn't have eyes, so it uses fear to see. Himeno explained that to me. Himeno. I'll be with you soon. She didn't see that coming, did she? Nope. Blue blood. Okay. All right, so I'm curious to see what's gonna happen next. Is Aki going to kill the snake devil girl? Or is he gonna get help from someone else? Well, I guess he's got the future devil on his side now, so is he already gonna know what's gonna happen next while fighting her? Is that how it works? I'm not sure. We gotta listen to this whole intro. Oh, I see the snake girl in there. I've never seen her in there before. I guess I just wasn't paying enough attention. Oh, Makima, what's your deal, girl? What is your deal? Do you guys think she's a devil or a fiend? I think she's a fiend. But is she evil? Or is it just that she is so righteous? You know, she is trying so hard to get these certain things done for the sake of humanity that she'll go to any cost, you know, to get it there and get it done? Or is she just truly evil and she's just having this good girl act where everyone thinks that she's, I don't know, this good person? I don't know. We'll see. Easy revenge. Yeah, girl. Snake. Don't kill her. Oh. Oh! Dang, I didn't even see her there. Gobeni. Why do you stay with public safety? Bonuses are coming up soon. Nah, there's another reason. What is it? What is it really? What is it really, girl? Power and Denji. Ooh. Ooh. Why are you carrying that arm with you? Oh. Yeah, exactly. Barf. Meat is meat. Ooh, I don't know about that. Not if it's... Sure as hell does. Ooh. We're here to catch that samurai sword, dude. You better not try to eat him when we eat too. Eesh, zombies. They haven't noticed us. She's gonna make them notice. Yep. Saw that one coming. These I can defeat. After me, Denji. I entrust my back to you. He's like, are you serious? How's that? How's that? Bloodthirsty. Yeah. A fierce foe. Denji, bear witness, and then speak of this day. For this power, who's the greatest of all? He's like, nah, I'm out of here. Level 13. Our Japanese suspicious about the number 13 as well. Oh. Found you, sideburns man. Let's have a chat. Aww. Aww. Depending how you play this, we're willing to turn ourselves in. We just want satisfaction. Get it? What's the deal here? Denji, you killed their friends and my granddad. We just want you to atone for that. I only killed their pals and your grandpa because they turned into zombies, dude. Don't you fucking dumbass little shit. It's like you always try and like, no, that's the truth. What do you think happened? You know what, fine. Even if that's true, those zombies used to be people too. You seriously don't feel bad after killing them? Sure don't. Sawatari's putting me through the ringer too. Apparently my heart was replaced with the Katana double. But even I have trouble sleeping on nights when I've accidentally killed zombies, man. Looks like you're the only one whose heart's not human anymore. If you've got any kind of conscience left, just let us kill you. Just let us kill you? Pull that string. Pull that string. Nah. Okay. Then I'm gonna cut you to pieces. Did he just pull his hand off? I got a shot. Oh, that looks really cool. I thought you were gonna cut me up. How about it? All right. Oh, man, they did such a great job with this show. Just look at that. Look at these scenes. Ooh. Wow, talk about a fight scene. Oh, come on, get your balance. Whoosh. Ah. Sheesh. All right, where's Buddy? Oh, there's Buddy. Man, just look at this. This looks so good. Denji, what are you even fighting for? For Ms. Makima? To protect the life I've got now, I guess. Public safety got you living the good life. Is that it? Gotta put up with a nag and a brat. But I like it pretty good. Which is why I've gotta kick your ass so Miss Makima will praise me. Praise me. You can't beat me, man. What, you think you got me beat already? I ain't dead yet! Man, look at this. Whoa! Ho, ho. Yeah, Denji. Come on. Oh. Oh no! Due to an incident on one of the cars, the train will come to an emergency stop. The doors will open, so please evacuate in an orderly fashion. Wow, wow. They really pulled out all the stops on this last episode. Alright, girl, get up and move somewhere. Yeah! Off comes your arm. Look, can we ban that move? Seriously? Keep yapping. He's quick. Dang, took out both his arms. You're done. Can't even fight anymore. He's got his head. How about it, Denji? Care to apologize for killing Granddad before you die? No. I can still fight. There we go. That's it. That's it. Let's go. I've still got Chensō on my head. Did he cut him? Oh, I think he cut him. Didn't Granddad teach you about when to know? Oh no! Beg for his forgiveness and I'll make it quick. Oh no! Is power gonna show up at least? You went right after my head. But I went after your chest. Is that what he said? Thanks for that shit. Didn't the geezer teach you that beasts shouldn't trust anything a hunter says? Sucker! Man, that is a lot of blood. Wow. Denji done did it. Woo! Woo! All right. Who is this now? Oh, this is... Wait, is this the samurai guy? Guess you're awake. Yeah, it is. It's nighttime now, it looks like. They're both naked. You really are like me, huh? Pull that katana out of your arm, and the halves of your body stuck back together. I'll kill you. You're fucking dead! Losers sure love to make noise, huh? Got a while until the cops show up to grab you. And to be honest, I'm not really satisfied yet. You killed Himeno. That's one less hot lady in the world thanks to your stupid ass. But you don't seem to care, and you'll get to spend the rest of your life in jail. How am I supposed to deal with that? Not like you can do anything about it. You're just public safety's lapdog. Oh, that's what you think. Oh. We're about to have us a contest. Okay. Contest? Hey, great timing. It's Hayakawa from Division 4. Target is restrained on the train tracks in front of the clock tower. Requesting backup. Want to get in on this too, Hayakawa? It's gonna be the best contest ever. What the hell are you talking about? See, he shot at Himeno, so I figure we get to take shots at him. That's why we'll make it a contest. We take turns giving him shots. Whoever gets him to scream the loudest before the cops shows up is the winner. Dang, he is a psycho. Dang, boy. Ah, Aki psycho, boy. I'll watch. You in or what? Our job is to catch this guy. They caught him. not to torture him, to make ourselves feel better. You're right, Aki. It's not like Himeno would have wanted that. That right? I was like, damn. There goes my fun. There they go with the sad music. Wait, where is he? Did they forget to draw him in that scene? I guess he's just further over. So. What do I get if I win? He's gonna take his family jewels, of course. Oh. Oh my gosh. He was like, wait a minute. You killed my homegirl? That's it. So that was it, I guess. Oh, so what's gonna happen next? Ah, what a beautiful shot. Oh, Himeno, can you hear this up in heaven? Oh! We're playing a requiem for you. These terrorist attacks were arranged by Akane. This is the end of an episode! A devil hunter formerly... She had a contract with the gun devil and distributed guns to the Yakuza. In exchange, Sawatari was told to recover the Chainsaw Devil's heart. And why exactly was Sawatari after the Chainsaw Devil's heart? I like his voice. Before we were able to question her. Oh! Suicide. Triggered automatically by the terms of her contract with the Gun Devil Navy. Dang. We were able to recover 1.4 kilograms of Gun Devil flesh from the building. After combining that with the 5 kilograms held by public safety, the flesh chunk has finally begun to move toward the main body. Then the time has come. Where is it headed toward? Oh, she's following her cat. Meowie Cat. Whatever happened to Meowie Cat? It was in that one episode and then just forgot it. You get to see them just living together, all the... Aw. See, Aki likes it. He likes them. Aw. Oh my goodness, look at all the... Oh man, that food looks so good. Oh, looks like they're better roommates now. Look at them all living together. Aw, look at them, so happy together. Eating and drinking in Aki's apartment. Aw, they all look so happy. Look, you have friends and a good life now. Oh, there's Meowie Cat. Aw, the good life. Oh, okay. This looks so realistic. Kayaki. What's up? Is he gonna smoke the cigarette? Easy revenge. It better not kill him. Is he gonna smoke it? Aki. Oh. Every time I think the episode's over, it keeps going. But he is zonked out. Oh, this is the first episode. Yeah, this is the start of the first episode. I feel like I'm in a video game. This is his old place, right? I have this dream all the time. I always have it. And then I always forget it. Denji. Pochita! Pochita! Come on out! I can at least pet you in a dream. Denji, it's not gonna be Pochita. You can't open that door. Beautiful clouds. Interesting. I thought the episode was already over and I thought it felt kind of short. Tell me, Denji, between the country mouse and the city mouse, which would you rather be? Wow. I will say, I really enjoyed the way that that episode was set up. It kind of tied up all the loose ends, but then also left a lot of new open doors for me. So at the end of the battle where I don't know if they were in a hotel or whatever kind of building they were in, the end of that just felt like I could breathe, you know? Like I was like, okay, if the season ends right here, I'm okay with that, you know? It felt like they nicely wrapped it up. I'm not condoning violence, but with Aki and Denji beating up the guy, you know, it just felt like everyone got their vengeance and they got to just close those doors. And, you know, it just felt like, okay, all right. And they had that nice scene of the angel fiend in front of the setting sun as they were making their requiem for Himeno up in heaven. I just thought it was all a very nice scene, very nice setting. It made me feel good. And I was like, this feels like a really short episode, but I guess that's it. I'm okay with that. And then they actually kept going. They still haven't told us why they want Denji's heart, and I want to know why that was a part of the deal with the Gun Devil and where this new Gunflesh is gonna take us to meet the Gun Devil and who we're gonna encounter along the way to get to the Gun Devil in the next season. And then what else happened? I was a little afraid when Aki started smoking the cigarette. I was like, oh man, is this gonna kill him? But I guess it wouldn't, because he's gonna have an awesome death. And that wouldn't be an awesome one, right? So I guess we'll just have to wait until the next season, which is good because I don't want to say goodbye to him yet. I can't lose another character, not in this season. Luckily, we didn't. But yeah, so that was nice to just see all of them, Aki, Power, and Denji, just living life together, just so nonchalant, normally like friends and roommates would. Going to the store together, just having fun, sharing a meal together, cohabitating peacefully together, which is completely different from when they first moved in together and it was complete chaos and Power would just throw the food all over the place and Denji was making a huge mess. Whereas now It just seems like a group of friends enjoying life together, which I think is really nice. And I think that's great for all of them. I think they all need something like that. Yeah, I think overall this episode just felt very like, just very peaceful. What I needed from this show. It's like, I went on this whole roller coaster ride of this show and I got to just coast right in to the next season. You know, I'm gonna coast and then we can go right back for it. But yeah, so that was nice. I wouldn't say, I guess they left some open doors, some questions, but they didn't leave me on a cliffhanger, which is what I thought they were gonna do, and I'm so glad that they didn't. But yeah, I'm so curious to see what's gonna happen next season. I guess some of you guys already know because you've already read the manga, and I want to read it, but I also don't want to spoil myself with watching the show, so I don't know. Let me know if I should read the manga. Oh, what happened to Kobeni? When is she gonna have some action again? She did it once. She did it twice. When she was helping Denji and when she was trying to save her own life from that grandpa that was trying to shoot her. And then you just see her all scared girl again. What's her deal? I still wanna know that. I guess that's about it. I can't wait to see what they have in store for us next season. I know I keep saying that, but I'm just so excited because I love this show. I had no expectations from the beginning and they have blown me away. I would say this is probably in my top 5 anime of all time. Granted, I haven't seen a lot, but let me know what other shows we should watch in the meantime. Someone has already suggested Jujutsu Kaisen. I've started that, and Vinland Saga. Let me know if there's anything else I should watch in the meantime while we wait until the next season of Chainsaw Man comes out, because I enjoy watching these with you. So let me know. But if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, because if you didn't like this one, you'll like the next one, and I can't wait to watch something else with you. Alrighty guys, bye! Oh, and Happy New Year and Happy Holidays. I can't wait to go into the next year with you guys. Alrighty, bye!